Good morning student. In second video as part 2, today I am going to explain self practice 7b. Evaluate each expression for the given value of the variable. So it is given as first A you can see it is given x plus 7 for s is equal to 2. So you find out x plus 7 as given x is equal to 2. How can find out? So you can find out like that, x plus 7 in the place of x you put 2, like that. In the place of x you put 2 and plus 7, 2 and plus 7, this one is equal to 9. So 9 is answer. B, y minus 7 for y is equal to 10. Y minus 7 for y is equal to 10. It means you can find the value. In the place of y you write 10 and minus 7. See, expression is y minus 7. In the place of y you write 10 minus 7. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 3 is answer. Like that you can do. Question number C, 5a for a equal to 2. So in the place of a you write 2. So it is 5a means 5 into a. You understand? 5 into a. 5 into a means 2 here. In the place of a you write 2. 5 to the 10. 10 is answer. Like that you do question number D, E, F yourself. And question number second A also you can do. Second B also you can do. You can see second B. You can see second B as 3a plus 4b. 3a plus 4b. It is given expression a is equal to minus 1, and b is equal to 2. You see, 3a plus 4b. 3a means into a means minus 1, plus 4b, 4 into b means 2. 3 1 ja 3 minus 3 plus 4 2 ja 8. It means 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 it means 5. 5 is answer. In this way you can do second B. And second C also you do like that. But second C, it is also very good question. Second C you see 5 y minus x, 5 y minus x, x is equal to 1.5, x is equal to 1.5 and y is equal to 3.5. Now you see 5 into y minus x. So you write firstly y value of y 3.5 minus x means 1.5. After that 5 into, you do firstly this one, 3.5 minus 1.5, 5 minus 5 0 and 3 minus 1 2. 2.0 means 2. So 5 to the 10. 10 is answer. After that, question number D. Question number D you see 10x plus z minus y. 10x plus z minus y. 10x plus z minus y. X is equal to 3, where you take value x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 5 and z is equal to 7. Now you can do 10x plus z minus y. You see, 10 multiplied by x, x means x value of x is equal to given 3 and plus z, value of z is equal to given 7 minus y, y means minus 5, like that. So we put minus 5 in bracket because before also minus 10 3 are 30 plus 7 and minus will be plus 5. So 30 plus 7 plus 5, 37 and 5, 42. 42 is the answer. After that, question number 3, you see, question number 3. Question number 3, you see, 4x square. 4x square, value of x is equal to 3. The given value of x is equal to 3. How you can do? 4x square means 4 multiplied by value of x, 3 is given, means 3 square. Like that. It means 4 multiplied 3 square means you multiply 3 2 times. It means 3 into 3. Don't multiply 3 into 2. No. 3 square means, or 3 to the power 2 means you multiply 3 by 2 times. Means 3 into 3, 2 times. Here 2, so 3 into 3, 2 times. After that, 4 3 are 12, 12 3 are 36. 36 is answer. After that, you do question number B, question number C, and question number D yourself. Question number D, you see. Question number D means 3D. X square plus y square and given x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 2. You see, x is equal to minus 1 means in the place of x to write minus 1 plus in the place of y write minus 2. You see, it means minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. It means minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. In one bracket you take plus minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. 2 times. Minus 1 multiply of minus plus. So minus 1 plus 1 means 1 and plus 2 to the 4 minus 2. So minus multiply result plus will come. So 2 to the 4 plus 4. It means 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 is answer. In this way you can do 3 all question and question number 4. From the formula a is equal to 3a plus 5b minus 8c minus 29. Find the value of a when a is equal to 18. It is given a is equal to 3a, 5b, 8c, 3a plus 5b minus 8c minus 29. If there is given a is equal to 18, b is equal to given 0 and c is equal to given minus 3. So you find the value of a. So a is equal to 3a. 3 into, in the place of a you write 18 and plus 5 into b. In the place of b you write 0 and minus 8c. 8 into c means minus 3 and minus 29. After that, 8 3 is 54 and plus 5 into 0 means 0 and minus 8 minus 3 minus plus 8 3 is 24 and minus 29. So firstly you add together. This one is equal to 54 plus 24, 448 and 5 to 7, 78 and minus 29. Minus 29. So 18 minus 9, 9 and 6 minus 2, 4. 49. So 49 is answer. 49 is answer of question number 4. So you can find out the value of question number 4. A is equal to 3A plus 5B minus 8C minus 29. Either in the place of A you put 18, in the place of B you put 0, in the place of C you put minus 3. After that minus 29. After that you can calculate 18 3 is 54 plus 5 into 0 means 0. If you multiply any number with 0, it will come 0 and minus 8 3 is 24. Minus minus will be plus and minus 29. So you can calculate 54 plus 24. After that you can take minus 29 from 78. Answer will be 49. In this way you can complete exercise 7b. After that equation is given, solving equation. How can you solve equation? Solving equation. What is equation? The representation of expression in the algebra that has two sides, left hand side and right hand side. So that is called the equation. Like that you can see x plus 2 is equal to 7. It is also equation. 8a is equal to 4. It is also equation. 12a divided by 3 is equal to 9. It is also equation. It is given x minus 7 is equal to 2. It is also equation. So it has two sides, left hand side, right hand side. Is equal to, here symbol of is equal to, before is equal to one term and after is equal to also one term, two term maybe. So this has two sides, left hand side LHS and right hand side RHS. Here also left hand side, right hand side. Here also left hand side and right hand side. Here also left hand side and right hand side. But how you can solve this? Suppose this is expression x plus 2 is equal to 7. How you can solve? You can see this implies that. As like that is equal to symbol, like that you can make arrow. It means this implies that, it means you can say R also. You can say R also. So you can use this symbol if you want to. As here you see x plus 2 equal to 7. So x is variable. Variable means it is not, values are not fixed. Values are vary. For x many times values are vary. Values are not fixed. So it is called variable. And here constant given 2 and 7 also. So you have to find out the value of x. X is the unknown number. Means x is not known. Unknown number. How you can find out? Here you see, so x plus 2 is equal to 7. So here also right side digit is given as number 7. So this digit plus 2, you transfer that right side. So here it is plus 2. If you will transfer to right side, it will be minus 2. So here you can see x is equal to 7 is already given at the right side, and you transfer plus 2 as right side, it will be minus 2. So 7 here and you transfer plus 2 right side, it will be minus 2. After that 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. It means value of x is equal to 5. Like that. Suppose this is 8a is equal to 4. It means 8a means 8 multiplied by a is equal to 4. Here it is left side, it is right side. But here no symbol of plus or minus. So a is equal to, we find out value, a is equal to, so 4 is given already, so 4 will be numerator. 4 will be numerator. And which number that is with unknown number as variable a, suppose it is 8, so 8 will be denominator, 8. So it means 4 by 8. So 2 to the 4 or also you can say 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So 1 by 2. It means E is equal to 1 by 2. It is answer. So like that, many questions are there. Exercise 7C. You can see exercise and practice 7C. Shall practice 7C. What is there? Give the answer for the following. What number must be added to 5 to give 8? It means then answer f 5 plus x is equal to 8. Then x is equal to 8 minus 5. First A, B, C, D, E, F given A. I am solving this. If 5 plus x is equal to 8, then x is equal to. Then x is equal to, you transfer as 5 right side, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. It means it will be 3. It means x is equal to 3. This is answer. X is equal to 3. Question number B. What number must be subtracted from 15 to give 8? It means suppose that number is q. So 15 minus q is equal to 8. 15 minus q is equal to 8. Let that number will be a q. So how you can solve this? See, minus q is equal to 8 is here this side, and this plus 15, it will go right side, it will be minus 15. So minus q is equal to 8 minus 15. So minus value is more. So it will become 7. Minus 7. Minus 15 plus 8 means minus 7. Minus to minus cancel. It means q is equal to 7 means plus 7. Q is equal to 7. So it is answer of question number B. C. First C. From which number must 6 be subtracted to give 3? Suppose that number will be n. Suppose that let the number is n. It means n minus 6 is equal to 3. It means n minus 6 is equal to 3. So this implies that n is equal to 3 is there already right side. 3, you write 3. What is there? And minus 6 you transfer right side, it will be plus 6. So 6, 3, 9. So n is equal to 9. N is equal to 9, it is answer. D. What number must be multiplied by 7 to give 42? Suppose to number m must be multiplied with 7. It means 7m is equal to 42. So m is equal to, find out m. 7m is 7 into m. So m is equal to 12. 42 is already given here, right side. And what is the coefficient? Coefficient means that number is multiplied with variable. Means 7 is multiplied with m. So 7 is coefficient of m. So 7. So this 7 will be denominator. 42 by 7. 7 6 is 42. So m is equal to 6. M is equal to 6 is the answer. Value of m. After that, question number E. First E. Question number first E. You see, what number must be divided by 2 to give 10? Suppose that the number x must be divided by 2. So it will be half x means 1 by 2 x. 1 by 2 x is equal to, as to give 10 is 10. It means, how you can solve this? You can make a cross multiplication. It means you can write 1 by 2x like that, x by 2 is equal to 10. So you can cross multiply it. You can write 10 by 1. So Like that, cross multiply you can go through cross multiply. It means x multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by 10. After that, x1 ja x is equal to 10 to the 20. So x is equal to 20 is the solution of the equation as x is equal to 20. So value of x is here 20. After that, question number second, choose the correct solution A, B or C. So you can solve this and you can find out the correct. Like that, first I am doing, second A I am doing, and you can do also other question. B plus 6 is equal to 13. B plus 6 is equal to 13. You see here, this implies that B is equal to, as 13 already given right side, you write 13, and here plus 6 you transfer as, it means you write the variable one side and constant means numbers in other side. So like that you transfer left to right or right to left what you need. So B is equal to 13 here already given. So plus 6 it will be minus 6. Sign will be changed. So B is equal to 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So B is equal to 7. There is 3 options given, A, B and C. So B is correct. B is equal to 7 it is coming. So B is correct. Here B is correct option. B is correct option. B is correct option. So like that in the table, a column you can write. So you can do B, C, D, E, F yourself as solving equation. You can solve in copy also like that. Then you do. Don't try to do in shortcut. You solve like that 2A solve and you write the correct solution in the column. After that, so only today you complete 7C and other also examples you can solve as equation is given, and also you can try 7D. It is very easy exercise. 7D. So you can try and do. So don't wait. You can try and do the questions. Okay, thank you.